We've been spending a lot of time at home these days, and that may not be a bad thing. Times are still uncertain, and your home should remain a place that provides peace of mind. Verizon's expanding partnership with Amazon means our network is once again teaming up with the products and services that keep you connected and secure. It's what makes our Ring Alarm Security Kit with Verizon LTE a product built to secure that peace of mind. The kit comes with a 24-hour battery backup base station, keypad, Z-Wave extender, motion detector, and contact sensors for windows and doors. It's a DIY install, no wires, which allows customers to easily set things up on their own time. The Ring Alarm Security Kit connects to your Wi-Fi, but includes a cellular backup on the Verizon network just in case your home Wi-Fi goes down. For $10 a month, you're getting 24/7 professional monitoring by Ring, and Verizon customers pay the monthly fee through their existing wireless bill. Customers can manage all of their compatible devices while also having physical control via the in-home keypad. You can disarm and check the status of the security system remotely from your smartphone via the Ring mobile app or via supported Alexa-enabled devices. We're providing unique, premium content offerings and experiences for Verizon Mobile, Fios, and 5G home customers by leveraging our network. Our Amazon relationship provides all kinds of connected devices for customers, and we were the first in the world to collaborate with AWS to offer 5G network edge computing with AWS Wavelength. And this new solution means Verizon customers can continue to take advantage of even more smart home technology. Stay tuned for more details. Until next time, you're up to speed.